Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Matt.
On today's episode, we're talking about another Johnnie Walker product. This is the Swing release, not one that I remember talking about before.
Nope.
Don't you
never
forget to
had.
hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, you want to tell me some more about this
I
good-looking
do.
bottle?
Look at this cool bottle, guys. Look at this thing called the Swing from Johnnie Walker. Swing goes wee. Yeah, actually, it's cool because it rocks back and forth and it doesn't fall over. So the whole point of this bottle is it was made by Sir Alexander Walker, who is Johnnie Walker's grandson, and he would go on these very luxurious steamships back in the early 1920s and 30s in the heyday of that. And so he noticed that when you go to the bar, well, the bottles are moving around. Every time the ocean moves, stuff's falling over. So he decided, I'm going to fix this problem. So he created a bottle that would actually move with it, and it doesn't fall over. It's a really cool bottle. And so that was the whole point of it. So your bottle's not falling over on a luxury steamship. But yes, this actually came out in 1932. So this has been around for 90 years, but no one I've ever found talks about this bottle. I don't know why. It's very strange. It is 40%. It used to be 43, but that's typical of how Scotch goes nowadays. It is made of 35 different whiskeys, mostly Highlands, Speysides, and Islay. So it's got a nice combo of those three. And then some were aged for significant periods of time in sherry casks as well. So let's see what we think of this. It smells quite nice.
Yeah.
Definitely get the sherry cask for sure. Nice
Absolutely.
malt, little smoke. Nice
And
leather.
I'm getting a little bit more of like the almondy sherry.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, there's like almost like candy almonds, even I would say.
Mm-hmm. I would say this is more of a malt-heavy blend.
Absolutely, there's way more malt in this.
I'm picking up a little bit of that grain whiskey. It smells to me like maybe a rye.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of metallicness to it, but yeah, it's mostly malts. That's pretty obvious.
Yeah.
But it's got like this old world. You can even see yourself sitting on a luxury ship with, smoke going around, some tobaccos, a little lime and orange. But yeah, it's just got that old school smell to it to me. And they said they've never really changed this recipe in 90 years. So it's kind of cool that it's still, and this was the last one he created before he passed away.
Well, that's pretty cool. There is a little wisp of smoke in there, but I wouldn't say that it's really highly peated. It's very old, antique leather.
Definitely. It smells like snobbery and sophistication. That's what it smells like.
I'll take it.
All right, let's see how it tastes. Tastes good too.
Yeah,
I like that.
There's a little bit more smoke on the palate than there was on the nose.
Definitely. Nice and earthy.
Mm-hmm.
I like that. Little, like I said, little peat, black pepper, salt. It's a kind of dry, little raisins and figs.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of ginger. Maybe even some basil and sand. Definitely. A little bit of that fungal, like tobacco leaf, cigarette rolling paper. Yeah. Very old, gentlemanly like Scotch, I would say. It reminds a lot of a Scotch that I think would drink back in the 30s. That would be something that high-end businessmen or wealthy people would be drinking. I mean, the bottle alone is really cool and looks like it's the best part is it's only $60. This bottle looks like it would be like $500 just based on how cool the bottle looks. Got a nice screw top on here. I mean, it looks really pretty. I like it. Even the box is fancy. It's got a fancy box and everything, so it's cool. And I was very pleasantly surprised that this was actually really good and not a piece of crap. So I appreciate that. But it should be for $60 decent. Most Johnnie Walker's pretty decent, to be honest.
Yeah.
This is probably one of my more favorite of their blends that we've tried. We've tried most of their stuff now. But yeah, I really like this. This is really nice.
It's like I'm pretty sure it's not, but it's like a Bamor. It has just that wisp of smoke like a Bamor has. I know they typically use Kalila.
Right. It doesn't mean they didn't get any in here. It's certainly possible. I mean, they're owned by Jim Beam, some Tory now, but who knows? I mean, I don't know. It's good. I think they did a good job with it. I like it.
Yeah. Yeah,
Not
it's nice.
sad to
just a little wisp of smoke. It's a little on the thin side, but it's not.
It's 40%. So
It does taste like it's at least 6 years old. It's not, ridiculously young whiskeys.
No, you can tell it's definitely got older stuff in there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got a nice, it's thin but oily at the same time. There's that little sheen on there, I would say. It's nice.
Yeah.
But if you really kind of shied away from Johnnie Walker, this might be a good one to try. If you haven't really wanted to try a grain, there's not a lot of grain in this one, and that's pretty obvious based on the taste. This would probably be going for you to give a whirl to if you like single malts and you want to give a blend a try that's decent. So yeah, I like that. It's good.
I like it as well, man. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're also live every Monday night. Come hang out with us there. Until next time, keep on crusading for the whiskey in your glass.
Cheers.
Cheers.